Hey everybody, welcome back to Trophy Valley Homestead. In today's video, our beehives are under attack by wasps. Right now there's a brutal war going on in this hive. If you look closely, you will see the amount of wasps entering the hives, and our bees fighting a losing battle, trying to keep the wasps out of this nest. These are massive aggressive wasps, and they're trying to completely wipe out our bee colony. We've put so much work into building our self-sufficient life here at Trophy Valley Homestead, but nature doesn't give you a free pass. If we don't stop this invasion, we can lose this hive completely. It's a battle to save our bees. On a raw homestead block, everything is a single piece of the puzzle and it's connected. If our bees fails, our garden fails, our orchards, the future of the block suffers. These bees are the heartbeat of the valley. Hopefully you can stop this onslaught on our bees. It's been going on for days and days. I've ordered some robbing mesh that needs to go in front of the hive to stop the wasps from entering into the hive. It's been going on for days and days, and I don't know how long this bees is going to stay floating, this hive. If you have any advice for us, please drop it in the comments. We need all the advice we can get. Keep fighting this battle with the wasps. Well, another hour has gone by, and let's just have a look and see how we're doing here. Well, the bees, their feet are full of pollen. Let's open it here. There we go. See, here's a little bee with pollen on the feet. Well, the war is still going on here at the beehive, and whoa, they are pretty busy today. I don't think the wasp will stand a chance today. They are pretty unhappy by the looks of it. I didn't expect this, and this is both hives. Did we win the battle? Yeah, there's still wasps flying around by the looks of it. I'm going to open the second door. Okay, this is unexpected. Oh, there's a wasp. Looks like he's a bit in a bother. Okay, this is all good news. I'm here at the Beehive now, and this is a bottle that I've got some honey in and apple cider vinegar. So the apple cider vinegar is for the bees to stay away and not drown. So hopefully we can keep the bees away from her as much as we can. Okay, this one's gonna work way better. Hello? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that liquid in there. I think this one's gonna work way better. We had a very special delivery today. So this is a RobberGard. It's a RobberGard stainless steel. Beequip New Zealand are selling these online. So the idea is that you put this in front of the entrance of the hive, and the wasps can't get to the entrance of the hive. So just going to explain to you here. So it goes like this, and you can see the gap behind the plate. There's a gap behind it. Or the other way around, if it doesn't help, you can do this one and there's only a gap on the corner. What I'm going to do now is, they are quite busy. I'm going to see if I can get this. There's still wasps trying to get in there, but they are on full attack by the looks of it. Just want to open this door here. There we go. Alright. I can't believe the amount of bees here that I see here today. I really thought this hive was in big trouble. Like I said, so the idea is I'm going to try and do it now. I'm not sure if it's going to be a good idea to do it now, but okay, let's give it a go. So the idea is this goes in there. Like that. Oh, we'll put some screws in it when the bees. Oh, there's a wasp there. They are. So the idea is the wasp goes to the bottom. I think I've got this wrong. I think I've got it the wrong way around. Yeah, there we go. So something like that. I will put the screws in a bit later. They say the bees take about 24 hours to get used to their grow, to learn to go in from the top. So I'll just go and get the screws. So this is the night lights. I just would like to say thank you for your support. Please do like and subscribe. On this side we've got some videos. This side subscription. And keep the comments flooding in with advice. Thank you people.